it's time to pack for our cruise around Norway. It will definitely be colder there, and I'm not used to packing for cold weather cruises, nor have we had to deal with flying and all those TSA regulations. So this is going to be interesting. Ahoy, travelers! It's Amy here to help you make your travel experience a success with a glimpse into what I am packing for my fall Norway cruise. So I got new luggage, hard-sided luggage. Love the green. It's a little neon for my taste. I'm a Kelly green person. Let's see what we got. I'm going to go through the items that I am taking with me on my first cruise that requires us to fly, and of course a cold weather cruise, which is its own set of troubles. In here is all like my unmentionables, like socks. Well, socks aren't really unmentionable, but socks, underwear, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's all in here, already packed up. So in here I have my tags for the ship, some thank you notes, and an air tag so I can keep track of my luggage. So that's in there. Let's see what else I'm going to bring. Things that are going to go over here on this side. The way this is made is this side zips up like this. So I'm putting all my, it may end up making it lopsided, but I'm going to put a lot of my items like this in here because this side just has these straps. This is the one thing I cannot pack yet because this is my makeup bag and I don't have duplicates of all my makeup. So I will have to wait to pack this the last minute, but I do have a bunch of stuff in here. I have this cute little light. Mirror with a light on it, which is really handy. So that's going to wait to the last minute. But I have my bag with all my bathroom stuff in it, basically shower, shampoo, conditioner, all the good stuff. Got a little thing of Tide because we're going to be gone long enough and we didn't want to pack everything. So I'm definitely going to have to do some laundry. So grabbed that the other day. This is my pop-up hamper. Definitely taking that. Medicine. And this stuff I don't need on the flight. So I will just, I always take a fan, but I didn't want to take my big fan. So I'm just taking this little one. I'm going to put I'll be in Europe. Don't they call it a bum bag over there? Or at least in Britain they do. But my fanny pack. I downsized from my normal thing that holds all my cords and put them all in this instead. I've got my ducks that I'm going to hide. Those are in here. Taking one door hanger, plus the ones, and I think they're packed away somewhere in one of these bags, but my ones that are for the ship specifically. This is my 360. I'm going to pack that, and then this as well. This I'm definitely packing because every time I go through any kind of security anywhere, it always gets me stopped. It's the magnet on it, and it just never fails. It always gets me stopped. I think I will put these in here because they're small enough that I don't want them. A little sewing kit, not much, just in case there's something really bad. And then I bought this recently. This, we'll see how it works, is a travel diffuser, so it doesn't take up very much room. And curly girls will understand why I need this. So, for sure. I'm only taking, I think, a couple pairs of shoes. So these are going to be my dress shoes for, well, all my dress shoes, period. I'm going to take my Hey Dudes. So Mom and I both went to go buy a new pair of Hey Dudes the other day. And only to discover that I think they're now making them smaller because and they don't make half sizes. But they're making them like a half size smaller than they were. So I couldn't buy a new pair. So the question then becomes, I am taking this new raincoat. I got a raincoat. You know, it rains a lot over in Norway. Got a new raincoat. It's all about the layers, right? So I got this, and it's a nice one. It's got the zipper that's then protected, so it's got all the features for raincoats. Should I still bring my winter coat? This is not a heavy winter coat. It's just a regular winter coat. But, you know, It's also water resistant, but I get hot really easily. But at the same time, it's going to be like in the 40s a lot of the time. 40s and 50s. Whenever, so I don't know. I'm still undetermined about this. This may be depends on the weight. Gloves, waterproof gloves. I got to leave room for this, but let's pack it as is. So these are all the pants that I'm bringing. I've got a pair of jeans, 2 pairs of dress pants, a navy pair and a black pair, and I have 2 pairs of waterproof pants, the black pair and a gray pair, and then I have a pair of joggers, and then I've got a pair of leggings to wear under stuff just in case it's cold. So because these are pretty lightweight, but I can always put something underneath them. I'm going to put them in a bag. I like to keep everything separate. All right, so then tops. I'm bringing this cardigan, lightweight cardigan, to wear, and I have yet to decide if I'm going to wear it on the plane or not. So I'm going to hold off on this one. Ooh, I should put these in with this stuff because it's my nightgown, and I think it'll fit. My PJs, I don't really have nightgowns, but my PJs. I've got several good tops. And everything is designed to be interchangeable where I can wear it more than once, but like with a different pair of pants. So, and I'm only bringing a couple of t-shirts, 3 short sleeve t-shirts. That's not true. I'll show you why that's not true in a minute. But 3 short sleeve t-shirts in here. It's a long sleeve hoodie t-shirt. It's designed like a hoodie, but it's t-shirt material. And then my Buc-ee's hoodie. Can't forget that. I love my Buc-ee's hoodie. I have a long sleeve t-shirt, going to represent the Show Me State. I was a teen in the 90s. And I'm tall. So always have tank tops. So I'm just taking 2, a black one and a white one. And then I have this shawl, big shawl-like thing that I can use with my tops or many ways. And then one sweater. I don't really have these as full as I normally do, which is really odd. Like I feel like I am packing less stuff for this trip than I do when I go to a Caribbean trip. I think just because we have the car, I don't have to worry about not having enough room. So that's the suitcase. And I'm not allowed to lift anything right now, so Mom's going to bring the scales over later. And, oh, I forgot something. Have a dress. I forgot. I have a dress that I'm going to have to wear as well that I brought to wear. So we'll try to sneak that in here. It doesn't wrinkle, so I'm not really worried about trying to sneak it in. I'm more concerned about the fact that I'm not going to be able to shut this. Like I said, I'm not allowed to lift this. Probably shouldn't even do that. But so there is the suitcase. We'll get that weighed later. And then what I'm bringing on the plane, it's not complete yet. But I'm not taking a carry-on. I'm just taking this bag, hat, sanitizer, passport, AirPods, reading glasses, gum. So that's all in there. I'm going to take my Nalgene bottle so I can fill it up after we go through TSA. I have some stuff to make the water taste better. Travel brushes for your teeth. Skittles. I'm going to buy some few other things. And I also put granola bars in there. This is my set. This is my headphones that actually are noise canceling. So that's in there. Head pillow, travel pillow. Always with the wipes, tissues. And in here, I have a pack of 1 clothes. So it's got t-shirt, shorts, underwear, socks, everything. And then also I have my power bank in here. And that's basically all that's in here now. Like I said, I'm add a little bit more food. And then my Kindle will go in there. But that's about it. Well, as I said earlier, I'm not allowed to lift more than 10 pounds due to my surgery. So Mom's going to come over later with the luggage scales, and hopefully I can add that in here so that you can see how much the final weight was. The weight will probably determine if I take the big coat or I just wear layers under the raincoat and can add whatever I need based on how cold it is. I get hot pretty easy, so I don't really know that the big coat's necessary. Now, I also plan on bringing a fleece Columbia jacket. I forgot to pack that while filming, and I don't think I'm going to wear it on the plane. I think I'm going to pack it. I just don't think I'm going to get cold on the plane. Depending on that final weight, I might also toss in a lap blanket for mornings out on our balcony. Mom's doing that. I think that's a really good idea. I don't really think a blanket would weigh that much, so I probably will put one in there. I do want to make sure, however, that I leave plenty of room to pack up a few souvenirs. I don't need a lot, but I don't want to pay extra. So once I get back from my cruise, I do plan on making a video where I discuss how well I packed for this cruise. Did I take stuff I didn't need? Is there something I wish I would have brought? I think it will be interesting to see where I messed up and where I planned correctly. Well, are you ready for more information on cruising? Why not stick around and check out this video and then come back for more information designed to help you have an amazing cruise. Have a blessed week, everyone.